Hey everybody, Hunter, Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and just a country cook, Steve Hall, here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with pretty Miss Sheila running that camera. Hi, Sheila.
Hi.
Did you have fun in Las Vegas?
I sure did.
Me too. We pulled some slots, seen some shows, went and seen Celine Dion. It was incredible. Had a lot of fun, but I really wanted to go out there for our cooking channel and film the buffet at the Rio, because years ago I went out there and they had this big seafood buffet, and they still have it. And they have kind of an international buffet alongside of it. They're both set up in the same ballroom. If you buy the international buffet, you don't get the seafood buffet, but vice versa. If you buy the seafood buffet, you can eat the other part as well. But neither one of them, they say, compare to the world-famous Bacchanal Buffet at Caesar's Palace, which is where we happen to stay. Rooms are pretty reasonable, too, like $110 a night or something. It was just great. But I'm going to take you on a tour with my little GoPro camera here and go all the way down the entire Bacchanal Buffet from one end to the other. It's about a city block long, 200 and some items. Fabulous. You ready to do this, Sheila?
I am.
Sheila went through there first and got her plate full of stuff. Then when she sat down, I took the camera and went through and filmed everything else. Then I went through the buffet. But let's go check out the world-famous buffet, not the one at the Rio, but the one at Caesar's Palace, Bacchanal Buffet. Watch this. Well, Sheila and I are at the Bacchanal Buffet at Caesar's Palace, and you had to come by here and get a ticket. Current wait time now is about 50-60 minutes, but we already did that an hour ago, so it called our ticket. We came back, and here's everybody that's waiting to get in. Looking at about 30 or 40 minutes, they said, to get a seat, so it's supposed to be pretty incredible. We're going to show it to you. Hey everybody, Hunter, Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and Country Cook Steve Hall here in Las Vegas at Caesar's Palace at the world-famous Bacchanal International Buffet. It goes all the way down to the end of here and then turns left, and then goes back right, and then turns left and goes back right. And I'm just going to give you a tour of all the stuff that they have here. It's absolutely phenomenal. Beef and broccoli, tofu, stir-fried vegetables, potato starch noodles, fried sesame balls, pork something, whatever it says there. And then all the different sauces that you can get for all of these items are in here. Phenomenal. And here's all these different little platters that you can get, the little steamed pork dumplings and all that stuff. Now obviously I'm making the first trip through all of this just for you guys. And I'm going to come back and try some of this pork stuffed chicken wings. Never heard of it. Then they got dried pork over here, crispy shallots, all the sauces. All right, let's move on. Back there is Peking duck, and over here is crispy skin roasted pork belly. It just goes on and on. In here you can get all your rice. Oh man, all kinds of trimmings and beans. We're talking seaweed salad. And now we're moving into some sushi. Tuna, little dishes with seasoned tuna in it. And here's all the different sushi rolls. I see some shrimp, I see some yellowtail, some tuna. They got egg drop soup, chicken, rice and noodles, duck fried rice, hot and sour soup over here. And we're talking all kinds of cheeses and dried meats. Phenomenal. Fruit and yogurt over here, pineapple, cantaloupe, all kinds of yogurts, Brussels and kale. Some sort of an apple dish over here. Looks just phenomenal. I know this is just a display, but look at the bread. Wow. And over here we have grilled octopus Can you believe it? Little baby Caesar salads. Some little cubed watermelon in there. That looks awesome. There's all kinds of red olives and tomatoes and mozzarella. All kinds of stuff you can add to your pizza. 4-cheese pizza. Truffle and mushroom pizza. I'm going to start to move into the pasta with spicy meatballs. Rigatoni over here. Got some little baby potatoes. Look at the asparagus. Wow. And that green pea, whatever it says on the sign there, looks really good. And moving on, we have seafood cocktail. I got a very unique slaw here. Jamaican salad. Oh, we're just getting started, folks. Now we're talking Spanish rice. Suckling pig. A tender young pig. There's his little hoof right there. There's another one over there, but they got this pig cooked, a suckling pig, and then shredded for you. Got some beans. Well, that's got Sheila's name written all over it. And here is a gentleman back here gave me permission to film this and tell all my friends all over the world about the fact that they got a revolving griddle and they'll do whatever you want. This just happens to be the guy.
This guy right here, that's Chef Nico right here, my friend. Get him, please.
Okay.
Chef
All
Nico,
right.
that's him right there,
He said get him in there. Boy.
Yeah, Chef Nico.
Good to see you guys. Man, oh man, thank you very
You're
much.
more than welcome, my friend. Thank you, sir.
If you get a chance, check out Cooking with Shotgun Red. I got 185 recipes on there right now and climbing.
Cooking with
And
Shotgun
one
Red,
of them,
yes, sir.
one of them is going to be a view of you guys doing all your goodies here.
Yes, sir. Thank this guy here, Chef Nico. Everything Chef Nico, okay?
Thank you very much.
Shotgun Red, please come to see us again in Vegas, my friend.
Say that one more time.
Shotgun Red, please come see us again in Vegas, sir. Thank you. Have a prosperous 2018, my friend.
We'll do it. Yes, it is
Thank
New
you,
Year's
sir.
Day. Looking
Yes,
great.
my friend.
Thank you. Man, they got some delicious pork soup. All kinds of different soups. This has got crab and lobster in it. Look at the little baby portions that they have here of all kinds of stuff. Chicken Colorado. Look at all the peppers. Roasted peppers. Now we're moving into another section. This is absolutely phenomenal. Here's all the goodies you can put on all of your stuff. Minestrone, boy, that looks great. Clam chowder, Sheila already has some of this back at the table. And all these wonderful little breads and muffins, assorted breads through here. Man, look at the big honking beef ribs. Can you believe that? Wow. And we got some butters over here, cranberry sauce, horseradish, potato salad. Boy, and I've been waiting to try some of this. Look at the bone marrow. I wanted to try that big time. They got herb frog legs. I don't see them on there, but I'm going to come back and check for it. Lamb T-bones with the little sauce on top. Green beans. Just good old-fashioned baked beans. Some nice mashed potatoes. And look what this guy's carving away on over here. Ham, prime rib, roast beef, turkey. Unbelievable. Look at all the meats he's carving on. Brisket, rainbow cauliflower, macaroni and cheese. Oh man, it reminds me of a saxophone player, Norm Ray on Nashville Now. He always loved kielbasa. Kielbasa right here, Polish kielbasa for you there, Norm. Move from the summer corn over to these little baby corns. Look at that. They grow them bigger than that in Iowa. Chicken sausage. That sounds interesting. They've got French fries and little baby tater tots, seasoned. Interesting. Look at these little wonderful individual servings of shrimp. And look at this, escargot garlic soup. I'm coming back for one of them. Hand-seared salmon. don't got to go to Louisiana to get a crawfish boil. They got it right here at Caesar's Palace. Moving over here to the mussels. Wow. Seafood and rice. And this has crab, shrimp, and mussels in it. That looks phenomenal. I'm just like in love. Oyster shooters in them little glasses right there. Look at the crab claws. Mountains of them. And right over here, we have one of the most popular dishes served at Cracker Barrel in Nashville. Sea snails. Actually, that's not on the menu at Cracker Barrel, but I thought I'd give it a shot. Just mountains of chilled tiger prawns. Look at that shrimp. King crab legs, which they've got at about 3 locations here on the bar. I just filmed one of them. And as we move from the crab over here, this gentleman is filling up the oysters on the half shell. You want to be on camera?
Sure.
All right, who's doing this for me?
Hello, my name is Eric.
Hey, Eric, thanks a million, buddy.
You're welcome.
We're going to put you on our channel. Looky here. And all you people standing around me starving to death, when he gets these loaded up, I'm going to get out of the way and you can have at it. I'm going to go get my plate and come back. Because believe it or not, folks, with all the extra little goodies you can get for your seafood and stuff, this is the end of the buffet. I started at the other end, and this is the last thing right here. And Eric, thanks a million, buddy.
You're welcome.
Looking fantastic. Golly. Anyway, I'm going to go back to meet with Sheila and fill up my plate. Bye-bye. This is Victor, and he's going to cut off the thickest and the rarest prime rib you've ever seen. I'm ready. All right. Oh, that looks good. Nice big thick slab of that.
You want a thick?
Yes, sir.
It's okay this side?
It's perfect. Wowee. Now that is prime rib, folks.
Oh yeah.
Looky there. Just as rare as can be. Thank you very much, Victor.
Thank you, sir.
You the man. Look at this. I'm heading to the table with this thing. Outstanding. Well, now that we enjoyed such a delicious meal of everything international, was so good, we're at the dessert bar. Look at the sticky buns in here. Chinese egg tarts. We got apple strudel over here. The little chocolate cakes disappeared. Pecan tarts. Man, oh man, I can't believe it. We got all kinds of different sticky buns up here. Some fresh fruit, bananas, apples, oranges. For the kids, how about some gummy worms and M&Ms and wrapped candies. M&M peanuts. Just all kinds of candies to dive into. All right, we got some cheesecake, chocolate mousse, a lot more cookies. All right, this is Sean, and we're gonna put him on YouTube on Cooking with Shotgun Red. He's making crepes to order right now.
Yes, he is.
And you get to pick your toppings. All right, he makes the crepe, and you get to top it with whatever you want there.
Yeah, Can I get a plate from you?
Thanks a lot, boss. Appreciate you letting us shoot that and put it on there. That's awesome. There it is. One crepe coming up. You get mixed berry, bananas, mango, toasted coconut, whipped cream, candied almonds. Oh wow. Then we moved over here to some other neat little tart looking things. I'm not even sure what it is because there's no label out here, but it don't matter. It really looks good. And they have exotic fruit, flan. Me, I'm just a country cook, so I don't know what that is, but it's F-L-A-N. Rice pudding, All kinds of neat little desserts here. Lemon stuff, carrot cake, chocolate hazelnut fingers, vanilla. Look at that. They have non-dairy ice cream, mango, coconut, lemon, strawberry, roast coffee, pumpkin, green tea. Look at this stuff. Pistachio, chocolate, French vanilla. Need I say more? Coconut macaroons, strawberries, dipped strawberries. Sheila will love that. 2 different types of dipped strawberries. Oh, my favorite, mini donuts, 2 different types. And a little French cookies at the end, macaroons. And believe it or not, that's the end of the dessert bar. Say it on camera.
Hi guys!
This is
Chef Leticia, Executive Chef of Bacchanal. Come on over.
fantastic.
Come
Look at all the
join us.
stuff on that tray. Look at this. Goodness gracious.
Just made from our pastry team.
Just got the pastry team to finish it up, huh?
Everything we made here.
I thank you very much for letting me videotape everything. If you get a chance, go to shotgunred.com and you can click on our cooking channel, which is Cooking with Shotgun Red. We have over 190 recipes on there already. And I just wanted to show all this, and I thank you very much for being so sweet to us here.
Anytime.
We want to, like she said, invite you all to come down and check out the good food.
Yes, please.
Yes.
Come on over.
All right, bye-bye for now.
See you later.
It is now 9 o'clock, and the line is even longer than it was earlier tonight. Absolutely packed, going clear down that way. Goes back and forth for like 10 rows before it even gets to the cashier. Then it goes back and forth another 10 rows, and you finally get in, but it's worth it. We're heading to the casino, do a little gambling, but I did walk by the buffet line one more time, and I thought, goodness gracious, would you look at this. What a fantastic buffet. That has got to be the most incredible meal I have ever enjoyed. Did you have a good time, Sheila?
I sure did.
It was just super fantastic. We didn't even go over to the Rio because they said that wasn't as good as the Bacchanal Buffet, but we wanted to show it to you. We hope you subscribe to our channel. That's pretty easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in just a little bit. If you click on that, you can subscribe to the channel. We'll put up a real recipe over here because we didn't do one today. We just took you on a tour of that buffet in Las Vegas. But either way, was that the best buffet you ever seen in your life? If it ain't, it ought to be. This is Steve Hall in Nashville, Tennessee, along with Pretty Miss Sheila, saying we just wanted to take you on tour. No recipe today, but wasn't that great, Sheila?
It was.
I had a good time out there as well.
It was awesome.
It was. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red with a real recipe. Bye-bye for now.